In 2014, I had this idea, with the want of bringing men's fashion accessories to their doorsteps without having them step foot in the store.
Starting with our first box, its rectangular shape and GQ inside, we've come a long way, with design, contents, and presentation since then.
We've changed not only our box size, but box design twice.
We first simply put a small card in every box to give you product names and who our honoree would be for that month's box.
Now we have 24 pages of look good, feel good, and be good content coming your way every month. When we first started off, we were only shipping to the US and Canada. Now we are an international brand.
While we still believe that gentlemen should be dapper, brilliant, and savvy, we have chosen to stand by the motto, look good, feel good, be good.
In 2017, we expanded even more, creating our premium Gentleman's Box, a lifestyle quarterly box that is more than just a box, but an experience.
Our team is so thankful for all of your support over these past 4 years. Here are some of the ways you've helped us grow.
Since 2014, we've hired over 15 new team members.
We have shipped over 250,000 boxes to over 30 countries in 4 years.
We've honored 48 gentlemen. 37,000 support requests have been handled.
Over 2,600 reviews of us on the web.
1,017 5-star reviews.
We've had millions upon millions of visitors to our website since the start.
From everyone here at Gentleman's Box, thank you for the last 4 years, and cheers to the next 4.